Hey guys, welcome back. And this time we are going to check on a new function within the set or the method within the set is superset. Now, as compared to the subset method that we saw in our previous video, superset method is used to determine if a set contains all elements of another set. Yeah. Now it returns true if the set calling the method contains every element of the set passed as an argument. Now this particular method is crucial for comparing sets and accessing their relationships in terms of inclusions. Now it disregards the orders and repetition of element by focusing solely on the present. Yeah. So the Python superset could be employed or used in various scenarios such as data analysis, database operations, because it facilitates efficient set comparison by aiding in decision-making process. That's we need to understand and ensuring accurate data handling. That's how it is looked at. So when I'm talking about the syntax, I'll show you an example rather than talking about the summary, because summary will give you only or the explanation or the theory will only give you uh, how it will act to. But if you actually see it in action, so I have this set one, which will be checked, or a set which is being checked as a within the superset is superset. So I am checking whether this is a superset of IEEE. Yeah. Same way as we had for subset, we get the return value as true or false. So let's check with an example whether a multiple sets are supersets or not. So I have this set one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And I have this four sets, other sets. So set two is 1, 2, set three is 3, 4, set 5, 6. Yeah. Now what I'm trying to do is let me not make it more complicated. I'll just keep it confine myself to set 1, 2, and 3. I'll say result is equal to set one dot is superset of set two, and set one is superset of set three, and I'm storing the result. Yeah. Let's see what is the output. It is true because set 2, oh sorry, set 1 is a superset for set 2 because set 2 elements are available within this set 1. Yeah. Suppose let's try to play around with this example by changing the third set. I'll just put a random value which is not available in that set. So checking if the set 3 value is not available within the superset. It is false. Why? I'll tell you why. There is a logic which we need to understand that we have discussed in my earlier video about logical uh, operators. Yeah. We have used an AND operator. Yeah. When we say AND operator, both the examples or both the methods has to return true in order to get a true value. Here, both the sets are available in my superset. But over here, one of the set is available and another set is not available. So in AND logical operator, true plus false is always false. If I would have used OR, so let me keep it as it is. So true, you understand this logical operator. So let me put it with a OR operator. It will give you true because in OR, any value, if any of the logical value comes to be true, then it will give you a true. Yeah. So this output is because of this AND. But if usually if you want to check whether a particular set is a superset of or a set is available within its superset. So I will directly check whether set 3 is available in the superset this way. So it is telling me to be false. So there are small things that you need to be very careful when you are using a particular function within a code. And what is affecting your output? Here, the output is affected because of this logical operator that is being used. I use the same operator, same code altogether. I just changed the operator and the value came to true. Whereas in previous example, it came to false because I used an AND operator. When I used an AND operator, true plus false is always false. For an AND operator to get the output as true, both the values has to be true. For OR operator, any of one of the value has to be true. So please refer my video on logical operators, which will help you to understand the AND and OR operator if you have not used it at any point of time during your coding career, or if you have not reviewed my earlier videos. Okay, so pretty clear. I'm checking whether set 1 is a superset of this set 3. So it is checking whether set 3 is available within my set 1, which is the superset. Yeah, in subset, it was other way around. The superset was given as a parameter, wherein the subset which was supposed to be checked was outside the parameter. Okay. Let's try with checking a set with an iterable, probably with a list, whether it is a superset or not. Yeah. So I have this set 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have this list that is 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And I'm checking whether my set is a superset for this list. Let me see if it gives me the desired output because it is supposed to, since it takes all iterables. False. Because 6 is not available within the above set. Suppose I just take 3 and 5. Okay, let me keep this example as it is. I'll change the value. So I'll just make the values at 3 and 5, which are available within the set. Yeah. So 3 and 5 are available, even though it is not in the proper order, it is what is available in the set. But list has these values 3 and 5. So let's see what is the output. That is true. So when you're checking a set with an iterable, that is list, yeah, it does not check or it ignores the placement of the elements. Yes. So it only checks whether this particular element is available in the superset. Then it checks for the second element whether it is available in the superset. If it is, then it gives you a true value. Whereas in subset, you remember, it was supposed to be there in a sequence. Let's check whether with an empty set. So let's check if the set is a superset of empty set. Yeah. So I have this set, I have this empty set. So I'm checking whether set 1 is a superset of empty set. So set 2. So let's see what is the result. Yes, it is true. Yeah. So the set 1 is an superset of empty set. So because there's nothing to compare. Yeah. Hope you understood the concept of this superset as compared to what was in subset. Yeah. Hope I was able to explain you clearly the differences between them as well. Yeah. Please do like this video, share this video with your colleagues if you who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any suggestions or views on these examples being shared or any kind of explanation that I have given. And do share your thoughts if you have more inputs which could help my viewers to learn Python or get some more concepts regarding this method. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel in order to get this kind of videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.